recording. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with
Lorna
and
Liv.
and exciting news. Got myself a cheeky drone. This isn't sponsored, obviously, but it's the DJI MAVIC MINI and perfect for travel post-COVID. So let's bring her down. Here she is. She's called Dorothy. So we're gonna take her for a spin. Let's go. But first, let's make this more cinematic. Now let's go. Jump in the hole.
Yeah.
Off you go.
Genuine.
Oh!
High. That's quite a deep hole.
Maybe don't jump, maybe lower.
But you so many people have weird.
Oh! I forget you're like double the height of me. Off you go, my drone's waiting.
Just a little.
Okay, sure. I'll bring Droney Boy over.
Oh right, Droney Boy. She pushed me in.
How rude! Not that much! Bear Grylls here. I guess we have no way out.
Give me your hand.
Okay, bye!
There you go.
We've got this,
There
guys. If you were wondering where we are at Grosnez Castle Ruins in the beautiful island of Jersey.
Grosnez means big nose.
Wait, what? Say it again.
Grosnez means big nose.
In Jerry or French?
I assume it's Sherry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Learn something new every day. Don't get too close to the phone. I'm
It's
so
okay.
sorry.
It doesn't
I'm
hurt.
gonna cry. So we're just sat in the car because Lorna needed a snack.
You know.
What did she come back with? An ice cream.
Let's just not talk about it. They only had ice cream. So it was either ice cream.
Well, I faint.
Yes. Indeed. So I decided ice cream with a drizzle and a flake, which has been eaten.
Looks good.
I got 3 spoons.
Wow! Did you actually?
Well, vlog. Ice cream. I was gonna say require
What word are you looking for?
like as in mission accomplished. As in mission accomplished. She's got the ice cream.
I feel like that's too intense for
Let's
ice cream.
move on.
Let's enjoy the ice cream.
I feel like just got ice cream is a fancier word. We have just been at Grosnez Castle. We now have ice cream and we're now off to the next destination.
Woo.
Let's see if you make it up the hill.
Oh, just got a text. Got a buzz.
Guys, you know what I feel like we're in?
What?
James Corden's carpool karaoke.
Oh my gosh.
Liv, get some music on the piano. Get some non copyrighted music
can
on
just
right
pretend.
now. I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard of? I crashed a wedding.
Second destination for the drone flying. Oh, we're at to, oh gosh, it's a job. Okay, second location. We are at Plemont Common.
Plemont.
Come with us.
Onto the plane.
Oh, how could I set it up and then get us all up there? Is that, oh wait, oh, drone, duh. Flying a drone. Going down over there. Oh, I'm actually doing pretty good following this. I'm impressed. Nearly fell. I hope it's off to where we go. With some backstage footage. There's two hermits in their natural habitat on top of a rock, on top of their home. They've spotted me, but they're not actually frightened.
An outro.
Well, hopefully something in this video has been decent. We've been running around in different places like crazy people, so
yeah.
hopefully.
Definitely give Sanna a subscribe because you have no idea how much effort this video has taken.
But I recommend getting yourself a drone for hopefully some decent shots. DJI MAVIC MINI.
Move to Jersey.
Don't stand too close to the drone.
Yeah.
And don't damage your friends.
Make sure you get an ice cream on the way because
this is a fantastic to-do list.
Yeah.
Okay, well on that note, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Good job, guys. That's a wrap.